What's going on, guys? Welcome back for an all new and quick little video. I'm super excited today because we are going to be doing Jeep things. Yes, Jeep things. So if you guys are here for the Miata videos, I'm sorry, but that will come at a later time. Recently, a company called Green Filter USA reached out to me saying they wanted to do something. I told them we got this new Jeep and they were excited to send one of their green filters, their high performance air filter, to me to test out in the car and do a little install there. Today's episode, we're going to be installing this Green Filter USA air filter on the Jeep. So I know in a previous video I did kind of like a quick overview, but this is our 2018 Jeep Cherokee. It's a pretty nice package. It's got the painted arches, it's got the cool front painted grills, this front splitter. It's an all around kind of cool car. It's a good like grocery getter, things like that. Inside your green filter box, you get, of course, the filter, some cards. This filter comes with a lifetime warranty, which is kind of cool. 2 stickers and this 10% card. If you guys are watching this and you want to use that 10% discount code at checkout, there's the code right there. Go get a filter for yourself. So the filter itself is a woven cotton with a steel mesh design. It's a really nice looking filter. I think the green is pretty cool. The rubber around it, I think they said it's like a molding, it's a certain kind of molding, and it feels really good. It feels really sturdy. It doesn't jiggle around everywhere. And yeah, it's just a really nice design, a really nice construction. So this is what it looks like. A great feature of this filter is that it is pre-lubricated and it's washable, so they'll last a long time. You can take it out, wash it, throw it back in. You won't have to keep buying those paper air filters over and over and over again. Once all your plastics are removed, you simply take out the old one. Here's just a side-by-side comparison of the green filter and the stock filter, or I don't even know what kind this is. It's a lot thicker. What you've come to know out of a basic air filter, and then the much slimmer, just a little bit higher quality looking and feeling, definitely, green filter. So let's go ahead and stick this in the car. It is a like perfect fit, not moving anywhere. That looks really cool. I wish you could just have this in the engine bay as is. Good thing is Green Filter does make cone filters as well. So if you want to show off your air filter, you can definitely pick that up as well. So big shout out to Green Filter USA for providing me that green filter to put in our Jeep. Head over to their website to see if they have a filter for your car. They have everywhere from Ford, Jeep, Mazda, pretty much most cars. They even have filters for Lamborghinis and the new Ford GT, which is super cool. Check out all the info on their website regarding their filters. I'm hoping to see some extra fuel economy on the Jeep, which would be nice since it's our commuter car. And again, big thank you to Green Filter USA for sending me this filter to do a little install video. Appreciate you guys. Hope to work with you in the future. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave your comments, leave your likes. I'll see you in the next video.